Hello friends, so let's start our session on HTML phrase tags. So today I will tell you some tags of HTML which are used as phrase tags, and also I told some tags in the last video which was of HTML formatting tags. So some tags of that video that lesson will also come in this video. So let's start. HTML phrase tags. The HTML phrase tags are special purpose tags which defines the structural meaning of a block of text or semantic of text. Following is the list of phrase tags, some of which we have already discussed in HTML formatting. So here is the list of the 10 HTML phrase tags which I will tell you today, and I will also tell you by experimenting on the VS Code. So before starting the main thing, I would like to say to like this video, comment on this video after watching it, subscribe my channel and share this video, and also assess my lessons on my website edusiksha.in/codewith Akshat/web designing. So let's start. So there are 10 HTML phrase tags which I am going to tell you. There are some more which are not supported in HTML5, the latest version. So you can explore them, but today I will tell you these tags. So the HTML phrase tags, as you can see, are purpose special purpose tags which defines the structure meaning of a block of text or semantics of text. So let's discuss now about abbreviation tag. As you know, to abbreviate means to short the text. So text abbreviation tag is the first one which I will tell you. This tag is used to abbreviate a text. To abbreviate a text, write between ABBR tag and /ABBR tag. So here is an example. So P tag and then N. Then we are writing ABBR tag or abbr tag, or you can also call abbreviation tag. So to so it works like if we put the cursor in on the text between these tags, then it will show the title here written in the attribute of ABBR or abbreviation tag. So an HTML language is used to create web pages. So when I will hover my mouse on this, it will show hypertext markup language. So let me show you the full example on VS Code. So now here I am on the VS Code. This is our last work. So let me make another file named Akshut7.html. I will put the boilerplate. Then I will put here the title as HTML formatting. No, it is HTML phrase tags. So now I will write an H1 here. I will write HTML phrase tags. As I already taught you how to underline text, so I will underline this. Now I will put a P tag, BR tag, then a P tag, in which I will write in this lesson I will teach you about, and then ABBR or abbreviation tag. Then the attribute for after hovering the text, the thing it should show is title. I will write H hyper text markup language, and here I will write HTML. Here I will put an and Here I will again put an abbreviation tag. Here I will put in the title. First let me go on command palette and toggle word wrap, so it will transfer the text which is not coming in the line by its own. Cascading style sheet. I will write CSS. So I will also tell you CSS with some tags. I will now write, now I will put full stop, control S. Now I will open the live server. So now it will open on the Chrome browser. As you can see, these dots are coming. Wait, I should do and save it. So if I hover my mouse above HTML, you can see hypertext markup language and on CSS cascading style sheets. So this is the use of the abbreviation tag. I will also put an H2 name abbreviation tag. Now I will save it. Now it is also here. So this was the use of the abbreviation tag. So let me now again go to PowerPoint presentation to tell you about the 9 more tags which I have to tell you. So here is a mark tag. I have already told you in the HTML formatting tag. So let me tell you and make you revise again that the content written between mark tag will show as yellow mark on the browser and the text will be highlighted, and the text which we will put in the mark tags will be highlighted. So the default highlighting color is yellow. I will also tell you, as I told you in the last video, about how to change the color. So this is an example. This tag will mark and then highlight and then slash mark the text. So let me go on the VS Code. Now let me put a BR. Now let me put an H2 mark tag. Let me put a p tag. Here I will write, here is the example of, and now here in a mark I will write like this, mark, and here I will write space full stop. I will save it. Now as you can see, this part, this mark is highlighted in the yellow color. So I will change the color, like I will put a style CSS, then I will put background color. So I will put slash ff. This is the color of the red one. So as you can see, it is highlighted in red. Now I will put 00. As you can see, it is highlighted in black, and when I am selecting it, it is showing. I will set its color, font color, to white. Save it. As you can see now, the text color is mark of the mark is white and the background of it is black, or you can also say it is highlighted. So I'm again on the PowerPoint presentation to tell you about the strong text. I have already told you about this also in the HTML formatting tab. So let me tell you and make you revise this also again. So this is a tag which is used to display the important text of the content. The text written between strong tag will be displayed as important text, or you can say bold text. So here is an example you can see. So the text in this, so this text will be highlighted in bold. Wait, let me show you that. So this text will be highlighted in bold, and now you can also see this on my website. if you will be not able to see. I have done like this for just like this. Now I will tell you the example here. I will put a BR tag. Here I will put an H2 naming strong text tag. Here I will put a P tag, and in this P tag I will put strong. But before writing it, I will put some text like that only. So let me write I am Akshut. I will cut this. I will put a strong tag. In this I will write this. And now as you can see, this text isn't it's coming in the bold. So like this one is bold by its own. This is coming by the tag. So let me go on. I hope you must have been understood these three tags. As you can see the whole of them. So now let me go again on the PowerPoint presentation, and now I will tell you about emphasize tag or em tag. So I have it is same I have told in the HTML formatting tags. So this tag is used to emphasize the tag text, or it is used to display the text in italic form like the I tag does. So the text written between em and /em tag will italicize the text. So here is an example. So easy in this example will be highlighted in italicized, or you can say it will be italicized. So let me go on the VS Code to make you understand. BR H2 emphasized tag or em tag. Here I will do now P, and in P I will do this is an emphasis text. So this is written in em, this is written in strong, this is written in mark, this is written in abbr or abbr. So I will save it again and run it on the browser. So this emphasized text is now italicized, as you can see more clearly. So this one is italicized by this em tag. So now I have done these 4 tags. Now I will tell you 6 more tags which you need to learn. So here is the definition tag. So when you use the DFN or the definition tag, it allows the specific keyword or it allows to specify the keyword of the content. Following is the example to show how to definition element. So here is the definition tag. So in this I have written HTML, and here I have written is a markup language. So this will be like we are doing in like it is a definition of something. So the browser will get to know that we are defining HTML, and this will be defaultly placed in italic size font. So I'm here on the VS Code. Now I will put a BR, now H2, and here I will write definition tag. Here I will write a P tag, in which I will write this is a, so this is a, and I will write in DFN definition tag. I will save it, and as you can see here, this is italicized by its own, and the browser is getting to know that we are defining this, the thing which is in the DFN or the definition tag. So here were the 5 tags. If you want, then I can make a video explaining these all tags more. So here are these 5 tags. So let us do the revision. before going on the next tags. So abbreviation tag is to shorten the text. Like here, if we will hover the mouse on the text in this, so it will show as the text we have written in the title attribute of the abbreviation tag. Here is the mark tag which highlights the text in it. Here is the strong tag which bolds the text. Here is the emphasize tag which italicizes the text. And here is the definition tag which tells the browser that the thing in the definition tag is is getting defined or is defining. So here were the 5 tags. So now let me go on the PowerPoint presentation, and now let us see the quoting text. So the HTML block quote element shows that the enclosed content is quoted from another source. The source URL can be given using the cite attribute, and the text representation of source can be using cite element. Block. So as you can see here, this is the example. So I will also search with you on the browser. So here is our tag block quote. In it we are putting a cite element in which we are telling the source of the URL, source of the quote. Now in the p tag, in the p tag I have written the quote and I have closed it, and in the cite tag I have written by whom it is. So I will tell you the both options after now here going on the VS Code. So as you can see, this tag block quote tag is used for this quoting text. So here I will do now definition tag. Let me show you once again. So it will be in inverted commas, and it will leave around this much space before starting. So here I am on this VS. First let me go on the VS Code. This is now I will put quoting tag. Here I will put a block quote, and here I will put cite, and now I will search some quotes, best quotes. It will take some time in loading. So here are some quotes here. It will open in just a while. As you can see, it is now open here, and I will put this one quote, the first one, and Control C. I will put this in this block quote. But before, no, yes, I will then also type this here. Let me leave this site element like this for some time. I will save it. We'll go in the browser. As you can see here, but for doing it, let me, as in the example, yes, wait. So this was the code. I have also done it in inverted commas. So as you can see, it is coming by leaving one tab, or you can say 4 spaces. So here the quote is coming, and here the thing in the site is coming in italic font. So here is the quote. As you can see, I will also copy this URL and paste it here. I will go here. So nothing is happening. So if you want, then you can put that URL also. and if not, then you can leave it. So here it was our quoting text. So I will tell you about more tags by going on the PowerPoint presentation. So now I am on the PowerPoint presentation, and now I will tell you about short quotations. So an HTML element defines a short quotation. If we will put any content between Q tag, then it will enclose the text in double quotes. So here is our example that Steve Jobs said, and in the Q1, if you are working on something that you really care about, you don't have to be pushed. The vision pulls you. So this was our example. So now let me go on the VS Code, put a BR here, H2, and I will write short quotations. I will also write tag, or I will leave it like that, P, and I will, as you can see here. So let me show you this one only. Here, I will save it and I will run it. As you can see this, let me remove this. Now, Steve Jobs said, if and in, then there is a colon, and in inverted commas it is coming like if you were working on something that you really care about, you don't, yes, you don't have to be pushed, the vision pulls you. So here was a short quotation tag. Like we also say that we use this one and this one. So you can use both these tags for quoting, but for like these quotes, you can use this one also and this one also. So this was our short quoting tag. So now I will go again, and now I will tell you about quote tags. The HTML code element is used to display the part of computer code. It will display the content in font. So we used code tags to display the code which we want to display. So here is a little bit of Java, basic Java code, and in the p tag I have written first Java program. Then in another p tag I have made a code tag, and in it I will write class simple and whatever the code is. So this will display it in monospaced font. And if you don't know what is monospaced font, let me tell you. Monospaced font is font in which all the letters are of the same size and same length. So let me go on this VS Code. I will put a BR tag. Wait, here BR. Here I will now put an H2. Here I will write code tag. Here now I will write E. Here I will write basic HTML code. Now I will write here a code in p tag and then code tags. I will take it from here, Control C, go here and paste it. I will save it, but I think it will come in this, so I will mark it as comment. If it does, no. So let me use basic like this only. I will put first, let me show you the output of it. It is like this. I will change it to then CSS. I will write here P and curly bracket. I will put a BR here and again a br. In it I will write where. So let me tell you, and NBSP is used for making a non-breaking space, as you can see here. So I have put it also, and I will do it around 4 times. 2 3 4. I will write color, and here I will write blue. I will save it and here on the browser, as you can see, all the thing is coming in the monospace font, and it is also in one font, I don't know which is. You can check it on Google. For let me type it. Default font used in code tags in HTML. I think it should come soon. Let me leave it. You can only search it for it. So I have told you about the code tag. I will again put a BR H2 for the next one. So the next tag is keyboard tag. In HTML, the keyboard or KB tag indicates that a section of content is user input from keyboard. So as you can see this one. So if I will, this is an example. So in this, the browser will get to know that the text in this keyboard one is used for is a shortcut key. So you don't think that we are making a shortcut key. It is only just for indicating what shortcut key does which thing. So now I will do here. I will do keyboard tag. Here I will do now. Yep, P1. Press. I will now keyboard. I will write. Let me show you one of it. Control Shift T. I will use to restore a tab. So Control. I will put a plus, and I will put Shift. I will again put a plus. I will again put keyboard and T. So I will save it, and as you can see here, press Control Shift plus T. This is also in the same font. So when I will press Control Shift plus T, it will restore the tab which I closed before this one. So this was the keyboard tag. Now I will tell you about the address tag. An HTML address tag defines the contact information about the author of the content. The content written between address and slash address tag, then it will be displayed in italic font. So here is our example address. You can ask your queries by contact us on, and here we can in the ref attribute and the anchor tag we can write the thing which we want to display, and like this. So let me tell you on VS Code. So BR and H2, and in H2 I will write address tag. I will put an address tag here. I will put press click on this link to email me for any contact for any issues. I will put a colon, then a BR, and then a tag, and ref I will put mail. So I will leave it like this. I will tell you the mail one after some time in another other videos. So I will put my email Akshut, no, code with Akshut at gmail.com. So I will save it, and as you can see here, it is coming in italic font, which is telling the browser that this is the address of the author of the content. So if the user clicks on it, then it would reach the place which we have defined. So I will put in my website link, https www.edusha.in/codewith Akshut slash web dash design dash tutorial. I will put the target blank. So now it is opening, as you can see. So it will open in a while. So till here I have told, here you can see I have put the till the 5th lesson. I will put the more lessons which are left. So here is a web designing quiz also that you can do after the web designing tutorial, in which I will tell you about JavaScript, CSS and HTML. And as you can see this, I've clicked on it. It will redirect me to a Google form, but not exactly a Google form. I have inserted into my website. Here it is loading. Here. So here is the quiz. You can answer this quiz. You can take this quiz as per you want, or you can take this now also. But you can test your knowledge till here. I will, but you, before answering it, you have to type your email and name. So let me close it. So these were our tags which I have to told you. Let me check it. No, all are done. So thank you for watching this video, and in the end I would like to say to subscribe my channel, like this video. If you don't like this video, then dislike, share this video, so comment below how it was, and watch my every video which I have posted till now. Thank you.